Good afternoon, students. In previous lecture, we learned the types of sentences. There are four types as we have learned. Those are statement, then interrogative sentence, then exclamatory sentence, and imperative sentence. Each type has two subpoints. In statement, we learn there are two types of sentences, that is affirmative sentence and negative sentences. Today we are going to learn about affirmative to negative. How we can change the affirmative sentence into negative sentences. Now let's see affirmative to negative. The first and most important thing that we are going to make the affirmative sentence negative without changing its meaning. Generally, I am playing, I am not playing. This is the negative sentence. But we have to learn to change negative sentences without changing its meaning. We can use opposite word of verb, adverb, adjective or noun and make negative sentence. This is one type. In another type, we can use do not in place of fail to, does not in place of fails to, and did not in place of failed to. Like that, we can use none but or nothing but in place of only. We can use no other than in place of as soon as. Likewise, we can use not only but also in place of and as well as. We can use if not in place of unless. And there are so many types of changing affirmative sentence into negative. Let's see how we can use negative words or opposite words in place of verb, adverb, adjective or noun. For example, he is poor. Let's see. I am taking an example. For example, he is poor. In negative, we can use he is not, and the opposite of poor is rich. This is the negative without changing the meaning. He is poor, he is not rich. Likewise, do not in place of fail to or does not in place of fails to, did not in place of failed to. I will give you another examples after this video into your homework section. We use various examples. For example, he is walking slowly. Now I can use opposite word of an adverb slowly. He is not walking slowly, opposite fast. This is negative sentence. In another example, it is difficult. It is difficult. Without changing its meaning, negative is he is not difficult, opposite easy. He is not easy. Another example, he failed to understand. Here, failed to. We have to use did not in place of failed to. So, he did not understand. Likewise, we have many more examples. Only Gopal was present. In place of only, we can use none but. None but Gopal was present. Likewise, we can use different examples for practice. I will give another examples in practice. This is very easy part to learn and understand. I hope you will understand very easily. If any difficulty, you can ask me on WhatsApp of our group.